as we watch what's now happening, China is stressed because what Russia is doing is blatantly contradicts China's fundamental principles for international relations. So China not only says, but I think the Chinese government believes in the foundations of the UN Charter, including sovereignty and territorial integrity. No one can deny that Russia's invasion, coming on the heels of it previously seizing Crimea, is not consistent with territorial integrity. So that's made the job of the foreign ministry very, very difficult. And you can see them been trying to figure out some path here. But at the same time, I argue in this piece that given China's interests and that where it has to make hard choices, it will have Putin's back.
I think they share some kind of empathy to each other because they all feel the sanctions and things like that. But that statement, I think there's some misunderstanding that it should not be interpreted as some kind of alliance. China does not seek alliance with any other countries. It's not a military alliance. They just boldly laid out some of their views of the world, how the global governance, how they can cooperate and things like that. So I think it's a bit overread of that statement. China stated very clear that Ukrainian sovereignty, should be respected, as also Mr. Wang Yi said, the Munich Security Conference. So I think absolutely, it would be great. I think China can do something because China, if you look at a country that has both good relation with Ukraine and Russia, you probably wouldn't find the second most influential country in the world to have that position. So China could use that position because China also has a vital interest with European countries. Ukraine is a signing party to the Belt and Road Initiative. China has a 16+1 initiative. The continental, speed rail, the train cargo actually has gone up 50 times for China and European continental train shipment. So there's vital interest for China to see the security and the prosperity in Europe as well. So and also China is the largest trading partner with Europe as well. So again, I think it would be great if China is invited to the table and then use its goodwill to really make sure this conflict is not escalated and de-escalate that. And China certainly can play much role there.